Heavy periods can interrupt a person's life and take a toll on the body. Today in this video, we will know the causes and the treatments for heavy bleeding. Abnormal uterine bleeding is excessive menstrual bleeding or bleeding in between of periods. The average total amount of blood lost during a period is 35 ml, that is about a half teacup. Bleeding is considered abnormal when more than 80 ml is lost. If this is happening with you, then you are at a risk of developing anemia. Other associated problems that need to address are flooding through clots, you need double sanitary pads, passing large blood clots. Other related causes to address includes prolonged period cycles, tiredness, fatigue, weakness, headedness, poor sleep patterns, and breathlessness. The known reasons for excessive uterine bleeding includes PCOS, polycystic ovarian disease or syndrome, which is characterized by small cyst in ovaries which makes ovaries enlarge and lead to excessive production of androgen or estrogen hormones, causing various bodily issues. Fibroids, which are non-cancerous growths or lump within the uterus walls. Endometrial cancer is a cancer of uterus. Endometrial or endocervical polyps, which are usually a non-cancerous growth in the endometrium or cervical area that look like a large teardrop. Endometriosis is a condition in which the endometrium, a tissue that usually lines inside of woman's uterus, grows outside of it. If you experience any symptoms of heavy menstrual bleeding, then you need to consult a gynec. Doctor will advise you to undergo certain tests which will include ultrasound, which examines your pelvic area, both uterus and ovaries. Your doctor may want to do an endometrial biopsy. This is a test of uterine lining. It is done by putting a thin plastic tube into your uterus. The test will show if you have cancer or any change in the cells. Another test is hysteroscopy. A thin tube with a tiny camera is inserted into your uterus. The camera lets your doctor see the inside of your uterus. If anything is abnormal shown up, your doctor can get a biopsy. There are several surgical options available for treating heavy bleeding depending upon the cause of the bleeding and whether you wish to have baby. This will include IUD, inserting a small plastic device into uterus to prevent pregnancy, birth control pills, dilatation and curettage, removing uterus, endometrial ablation, a surgical procedure which destroys the lining of uterus. Hysteroscopic polypectomy is a surgery performed to remove uterine polyps perceiving the uterus. If you are at a risk of anemia due to excessive bleeding, your doctor might get you to take a blood test and recommend iron therapy if the levels are found to be below. This usually involves taking iron supplements or iron infusion. Some PCOS and endometriosis symptoms can be eased with diet and lifestyle changes. A balanced diet is probably the best. Good hydration, reducing saturated fat, salt, sugar, caffeine, and alcohol are likely to be beneficial. Restful sleep helps you to cope with the symptoms. Even Ayurveda has provided a respective and supportive approach for women's health by balancing Vata, Pitta and Kapha dosh. Some precious herbs can help balance the hormones and tone the uterus. but it is best to consult Ayurvedic doctor before starting any herbal medicines. So it is important for every woman to address these symptoms and consult a doctor for their well-being. For more such information, kindly like this video, comment and subscribe our channel.